tell you a fun little story. You look at my pictures back there. The amount of people who called me and said, why am I not on your board? What do I have to do to get on your board? So I'm gonna, we'll rotate them throughout. All my pictures back there. I think it's cute. There it is. You get me every time. Hiding my card on me, Joe. All right, let's talk about some food storage here, because plastic wrap is my arch enemy. I don't know about you. I cannot make it work to save my life. Aluminum foil, it's not doing the trick. This is WP. They are all about making modern kitchen improvements, improving the way that we eat and we drink. This is a 3-piece silicone bakeware storage set. They're lid covers. So these are reusable. You're getting 3 different sizes to fit your needs. You're getting this size right here, which is for your loaf pan. You're getting this size right here, which is for your, quote unquote, brownie lid. And then over here on my little Temptations casserole dish right here, this is going to be your casserole lid. Now is this coming up in our show? No, not in our show. Oh, there's a Temptation Hour where you're gonna see that a little bit later. This is the Better Mousetrap. Now when I come over here, hold on, you're gonna see the struggle. The struggle that I have is real. I have been battling plastic wrap for as long as I can remember. I can't make it work. It goes everywhere. I can't make it stick. It's a mess. Like, you try to, I don't know. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It doesn't work, and it doesn't keep things fresher longer, and it just makes me really, really mad. In comes WB. See, it's very frustrating to me. So this is so easy. So this is done in a way that you can put this in the microwave, a freezer, the dishwasher even. It has these little grooves on it. If we can see these, Quinny. It has these little grooves, which means it's going to stretch and it's going to securely fit over each type of pot or pan or bowl that you're using. So it just really fits right over anything. You kind of just edge it on, even handles on this one, and stretch it over. And now you have a really great seal to keep your food fresher longer. Great if you're traveling. Maybe you're bringing that casserole to a party. Maybe it's a potluck. Now you can put this in the backseat of your car, not worry about anything spilling around. Let me give you the dimensions on these. These are so good. $9.99. One of the most affordable items in our show. You're getting 3 of them, so $3.33 a piece. How much is that plastic wrap? More than that. So this size is going to be your loaf pan. So the loaf pan is going to be 5 inches by 9 inches. Here is your brownie lid, because those brownie pans, they don't have lids usually that come with them. So now you have one. This is 8 by 8. And then the casserole dish lid is going to be 9 by 13. It's designed to make it fit, because you get all of that stretch, you get those grooves on there so it stays in place, and you get to use it over and over and over again. No more of this. We don't like this. We don't like this. Plus, it's not sustainable. This is a little bit more eco-friendly, if you will. You could load this on. What? Oh, see, that was my plastic wrap of anger. That I pulled up and I threw on the ground, because that's how I feel about plastic wrap, and I felt like that since I was a kid. It's so frustrating. It doesn't keep things fresher longer like this will. This creates a really good seal. That plastic wrap will not. Aluminum foil will not either. It doesn't matter if the casserole dish has handles, it'll fit right over, but it just makes sense. It's also, you don't have to transfer food that you've baked in the oven, whether it's a casserole or your brownies or your loaf pan. You don't have to transfer it to, say, a lock and lock, which has a lid on it. You can still keep everything in the same pot or pan that you cooked it in. And look how great this is. You can just use the same vessel. Anything that means that I get to do less dishes. It makes me really, really happy. This means less dishes. Maybe you pick up more than one of these, because you're saving a lot more than you're spending. In fact, you're saving $14. You can use this in the oven? Really? Oh, look at that. You can use it in the oven because it's silicone, huh? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Now it's like your splash guard on top of everything else. You can use this in the oven. Hey, it doesn't say on my card, but is there a heat up to, we're gonna look to see what that is because it's not on my card. $9.99 saves you $14 off of the QVC price. I love that, $9.99. I love it when you're saving more than you're spending. I'm gonna take you through what you're getting one more time. You're getting 3 of them in 3 different sizes. This is your brownie lid, so that classic 8x8. This is your loaf lid, so that 5x9. And then here we have it in the casserole dish, or casserole lid, sorry, pardon me. And that's going to be 9x13. Again, really easy to use. Get it on one side, get it all nice and locked in place. Hold on, because it has those ridges, it'll stay nice and locked in place. And then just stretch it over to create a nice seal. It is that silicone, so it's gonna be food grade safe. It's gonna be heat resistant. I don't have an actual number for you, but it will be. So you can put this in the oven, and now you have a really nice seal. You can put this right in the refrigerator. Maybe you're meal prepping, maybe you're saving food for someone later, maybe who works the night shift, and you wanna make sure they have a nice warm meal, because you can put this in the microwave. So she can take it right from the fridge into the microwave and you're good to go. Dishwasher safe also, freezer safe. Well, we're gonna maybe work our way back on that oven safe one. I know the pictures looked like it was coming in and out of the oven, but it's not specifically on my card, so I don't wanna say it. So I'm gonna backpedal on that one. We're gonna do a little backpedaling. So take that away. But freezer, microwave, refrigerator, boom, you're good to go there. All 3 of them for $9.99. You're saving $14, you're spending under $10. It's an easy pay of $3.33, which means each one of these is $3.33. How much do you spend on this behemoth that doesn't work? It's villainous. Doesn't it drive you crazy? It can't just be me. It never, ever works. Put that away, like the single-use plastics and single-use aluminum foils, that's money down the drain. You're getting 3 of them, 3 different sizes. This is for your brownie lids, and it's 8x8, and there you can see, that's the square one. Then it's the loaf pan, which is 5x9, and then the casserole, which is 9x13. Your item number is K90239. It makes sense, guys. It just makes a lot of sense.